Alice Daryl Perez, soon to be Palma. Diba boyfriend?
Because you always hurt my feelings. Iba, girl of her.
I really love Alice. It's like you weird and shallow.
So does that mean you like me?
So I will try to change for you.
Last na to. Nag-isip ako. Mahal na talaga kita, Ali.
Kaya ba talaga sa'yo yung gantong setup?
I lost my appetite. I'll see you tomorrow.
Please, ayusin mo, Dek. Kakagatin kita mamaya.
She always pulls my hair, she bites me, she kicks me. Pero I still love her.
Magpapropose ka?
Sobrang weird talaga ng love life ko.
Yan, parang namimiss na kita. This one's free.
Kung sarado na ang puso, sana darama. Pwede bang isipin